A blessed afternoon, class. Today we will discuss three significant essays by our national hero, Jose Rizal. Roan, could you start by summarizing the Philippines a century hence?
Oh, sure po, sir. The Philippine century hence po, Jose Rizal predict the future of our country. He saw that the Philippines would either gain independence or still remain foreign control po. So he emphasized the education, civic virtue, and the unity po among the Filipinos for our bright future.
Excellent. Now let's talk about its relevance today. Ian, what do you think?
I think Rizal vision is still relevant. We have our independence, but we must focus on education and unity to tackle modern challenges like poverty and corruption.
Good point. Now let's move on to the indolence of the Filipino. Roan, can you summarize it for us?
Oh, in the indolence of the Filipino, Rizal argued that the Filipino are not totally lazy. Instead, he attributes the perceived indolence to the Spanish colonial rule, which deprived Filipinos of opportunity and proper motivation. He calls for reform in education, governance, and social condition to uplift the Filipino spirit.
Well said, Roan. Ian, how does this essay apply to our current situation?
It reminds us that systematic issues can hinder progress. To combat indolence, we need to improve our education system, create more job opportunities, and ensure fair governance. We should not blame the people, but rather address the root causes.
Absolutely. So let's discuss to the young women of Malolos. Maria, can you give us an overview?
Oh, yes, sir. To the young women of Malolos, Jose Rizal praises the women of Malolos for their courage for education and equal rights.
It shows that women play crucial roles in nation building. Young women today should pursue education, be aware of their rights, and actively participate in societal changes. Empowered women can lead to more equitable and progressive society.
Just add lang po, sir, also Jose Rizal encouraged the women to be strong, educated, assert their rights, and always involved for the nation affairs. Thank you po.
That's a wonderful insight, Ian and Roan. Remember, class, Rizal essays not only provide the historical context, but also offer timeless lessons. As the youth of today, we have the power to shape our future by embracing education's unity and active participations in our country development. Excellence for today, guys. Let's carry these lessons forward and be the change we wish to see. Thank you, class, and dismiss.